Namaste, Pranam, Hare Krishna. Akshaya Tritiya. It is a very significant day as per Vedic calendar. Tritiya means third day. It is the third day in the light fortnight of Vaishak, means April and May. This day is very significant because so many important events took place on this day, and some events they take place repeatedly every year. We will cover, let's say, 15 of those events. So make sure you stay and watch the whole video to listen to all of them, because they all are very amazing and interesting and significant to know for any person interested in spirituality. The first one, many of us know about Mahabharata, a great epic, great history of Bharata. And the writing of this epic started on this day, Akshaya Tritiya. Vyasadeva was dictating and Lord Ganesha, he was writing Mahabharata. I have a copy of the book here, I can share with you. It's a beautiful edition. If you can find a copy, great read. Second, the work of creation of this material cosmos by Lord Brahma starts on this day. All the yugas, 4 yugas, Satya Yuga starts on this day. So it is a very significant event for all of us to know. Third one, many of us have heard about river Ganga. River Ganga descends to earth on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. It is a very significant event. River Ganga gives sustenance to so many living entities, and so many sacred places are on the banks of river Ganga. Haridwar, Rishikesh, many of us have heard, Gangotri. Fourth, Lord Krishna, he met with his school friend Sudama Brahmana, and he bestowed unlimited wealth on him. Many people, they do so many ceremonies on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, and what do they ask for is wealth. But Akshaya, we should understand, what does Akshaya mean? Akshaya means that never diminishes, that's never destroyed. So this day can bestow on us blessings that will always stay, that will not be destroyed. Therefore, if you stay till the end, I'm gonna share with all of you what is something we can ask that is never destroyed. But we will share this at the end of the video, so stay with me for a little bit longer. Let's discuss more what are the other significant events that take place on this day. Annapurna Devi, she appears on this day also. She is supplying all the anna, all the food grains, and to perform any ceremonies we need anna. Even barley, the grain that is used for offering in sacrifices, was produced on this day. It is a very significant day in that sense. Fifth, a very special event took place on this day. Sun god, he gave Akshaya Patra to King Yudhishthir. Akshaya Patra, this is a container from which you can get as much food as you want, because King Yudhishthir, he wanted to feed so many brahmanas, so many devotees he wanted to feed, and he prayed for it, and Sun god gave him this Akshaya Patra. Yudhishthir gave it to Draupadi, and the deal was, as long as Draupadi doesn't eat from it, then you can get as much food as you want from it. So they used the Sakshya Patra to feed so many Brahmanas. Another important event that took place on this day is when Draupadi was being disrobed in the assembly by Duryodhana and his party. Then, hearing her fervent prayers, Lord Krishna, he supplied unlimited cloth. The Dushasana, he got tired of disrobing Draupadi. He was such a strong warrior, but he could not disrobe her because there was so much cloth being supplied by Lord Krishna. So her honor was protected by Lord Krishna. More exciting events. Some of these are repeatedly performed every year. One of them is Chandan Yatra. What is Chandan Yatra? On this day, devotees of Lord Krishna, they smear the deity of Lord Krishna in the temples with chandan, with sandalwood paste. So many devotees, they are working hard to make the sandalwood paste and then they put on his body, because around this time it gets hot and sandalwood is very cooling. So they, out of love, devotees smear the body of the deity with sandalwood paste, so the deity's body is cool. Of course, we know it's spiritually, it doesn't need sandalwood to cool the body, but this is a way of exchanging love by devotees with Lord Krishna. So many temples, they do this, especially in Vrindavan, in Remuna, where there is Shirachor Gopinath deity, in Jagannath Puri. It actually started in Satya Yuga with Lord Jagannath, when King Indradyumna, he built this temple for Lord Jagannath. It started in that time and it still goes on. But in more recent history, Madhavendra Puri, he restarted this festival, and especially in Remuna, it's celebrated for a long time, for a couple of months or even more. But in ISKCON temples all over the world, it's celebrated for 21 days in many temples of ISKCON. So it is a very special day, and so many amazing things happen on this day. We will try share some details about all these pastimes. We will make some more videos related to these pastimes in next few days leading up to Akshaya Tritiya day for this year 2025. More interesting things that happen are 4 important sacred temples in India. They open on this day. Badrinath, there is the temple of Nara Narayan. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, all these 4 dhams, they open on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. Also, there is a temple of Lord Narsimha in Simachalam. This deity is smeared with sandalwood paste all over the year. Just on this day of Akshaya Tritiya, devotees, they get to see the real form of this deity. They take out all the sandalwood from the body of the deity just for this day. In Vrindavan, there is a very popular temple of Banke Bihari. In this temple, just on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, devotees actually get to see the feet of the deity. All other days, the feet are covered. Also, very interesting event happened on this day in Lord Krishna's pastimes. When Lord Krishna was present on the planet, then the event of Nanda Maharaj going to take bath on this day of Akshaya Tritiya to Prayagraj happened. So Lord Krishna, day before, Nanda Maharaj was planning to go to Prayagraj for a holy bath, and on occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, Lord Krishna asked him, "Oh father, where are you going?" And he replied, "I am going to Prayagraj for a holy bath because tomorrow is Akshaya Tritiya." So Lord Krishna, he asked him, "Why don't you go tomorrow, since Akshaya Tritiya is tomorrow?" And he agreed. So next morning he went to take a bath in Nanda Sarovar, which is in Nandagram, where Nanda Maharaj was living with Lord Krishna in Vrindavan. And when he went there, he actually saw the personality. Prayagraj was there and lying in the dust of Vrindavan. Nanda Maharaj asked him, "Who are you?" Because he looked so effulgent. He said, "I am Prayagraj." He said, "What are you doing here?" He said, "I come here in Vrindavan on the day of Akshaya Tritiya and I purify myself. I smear the dust of Vrindavan and I take bath here in this Sarovar, which is Nanda Sarovar." So Nanda Maharaj realized, if Prayagraj personified comes to take bath in Nanda Sarovar, then he don't need to go to Prayagraj for a holy bath. So this is a very interesting pastime to help us understand how Vrindavan is such a powerful spiritual vortex, spiritual place where everything is present. Every spiritual personality comes there to take spiritual strength, spiritual blessing, to become purified. So Nanda Maharaj, instead of going to Prayagraj, he took a bath in Nanda Sarovar, which is after this day known as Pavan Sarovar. Akshaya Tritiya is also very special because one of the avatars of Lord Krishna, a powerful avatar, Lord Parshuram, he appeared on this day. So it is also celebrated for appearance of Lord Parshuram. We only have few more things left, but if you are enjoying this video, then smash that subscribe button if you haven't done that so far. Also like and share this video with others. Let's get back to another amazing events that happened on Akshaya Tritiya. This day, Kuvera, he was made the treasurer of demigods. Now is very exciting event I'm gonna share. So please hear it with great attention. On this day, building of the chariots for Rath Yatra festival of Lord Jagannath in Jagannath Puri, it starts. This is the day when it starts. And of course, they spend so many days preparing the chariots, making all the arrangements to have this festival of Rath Yatra. Of course, here in Los Angeles also we celebrate this, and many people come and join this Rath Yatra festival here in Los Angeles also, which we will be having on first Sunday of August. We do it every year at Venice Beach. Another very important thing that happened for devotees of ISKCON, Srila Prabhupada, we are in Srila Prabhupada Memorial Garden here in Los Angeles, and on this day of Akshaya Tritiya, Srila Prabhupada, he started the League of Devotees in Jhansi, India, which became a model for ISKCON, what we see right now, which is growing all over the world. So these were some of the important events that happened on Akshaya Tritiya day, and I wanted to share with all of you. I hope you will enjoy learning about these and get inspiration to understand the significance of this day and what are the things we should be doing on this day, what we should be asking for. So like how we were discussing at the start, usually people ask for gold or wealth or prosperity, but we should consider this. If we only ask for material prosperity, it will end with our life. Therefore, we should be wise, and what we should ask for is something is akshaya, that doesn't diminish, that doesn't get destroyed, is spiritual wealth, spiritual prosperity, pure consciousness, spiritual consciousness, Krishna consciousness, pure love. That's what we should ask for on this day of Akshaya Tritiya. It is also a very important day to do any kind of spiritual ceremonies, like maybe you want to make offerings to your ancestors or you want to start some new projects. It's a perfect day. You don't have to go to any astrologer or anyone to ask for a special time, because just on this day you don't need to consult any astrologer. This day is free from any kind of malefic effects. Whatever you start on this day, especially if it's spiritual, it will grow and it won't get destroyed. So it is a very important day if you want to start something new in your life. Maybe you want to start a new business, a new career, or you want to start a new relationship or something that you have been thinking of, then make a note. This is the day. In year 2025, when is Akshaya Tritiya? The actual date for Akshaya Tritiya is April 29 for Los Angeles. For India, it is April 30th. So save the date, don't miss it, and try perform more and more spiritual activities on this day. What kind of spiritual activities we can do on this day? We can visit some of these spiritual places that we mentioned before. We can go for holy bath there. We can do chanting, more chanting, especially chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Study Mahabharata, study Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, make donation, engage in kirtan, serving great devotees, especially like Srila Prabhupada, doing service for Srila Prabhupada. So I wish you all a very, very happy Akshaya Tritiya, and I pray and hope that this day may give us, all of us, a great start in many goals we may have for ourselves, and we may progress in our spiritual journey. We may develop pure love, pure consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.